Transmission of COVID-19 occurs through respiratory droplets, which can spread the virus and cause infections. Studies find elevator surfaces are capable of harboring coronavirus particles for several days at a time. Evidence shows that 50% of elevator buttons are carrying viral particles, and 61% are hosting bacterial colonies. Recent community outbreak has been linked to virus transmission in the elevator. The HoverTap Lift is a safe touchless alternative for the elevator interface. It is easily connected with existing button or touchscreen controls. Inventing touchless technologies for safety since 2012, we bring you a new way to use elevators germ-free.